Today we're going to be doing a breakout box in the Media Center. A breakout box is similar to an escape room. You will have to look for clues, hints, and solve puzzles around the room that will help you figure out lock combinations. There will be a number of locks on a box. Your objective is to unlock all of the locks to break out of the box and escape. What you have learned about light and sound waves will help you solve the puzzle. Most teams have been successful by talking with their group members and sharing thoughts about how to solve the puzzles. If you find something, say something. If you have an idea to solve a problem or puzzle, say something. When you and your team think you have a lock combination, test it out. However, please do not try to guess the combination or just sit and play with the locks. Many locks have been broken this way or will no longer open. When a lock is removed, please give it to me, Mrs. Clark. Thank you for being respectful with the locks and materials. Each team will have 2 hint cards to use if you are completely stuck on what to do. Take a hint card to me, Mrs. Clark, and I will give you information to help you move along. I get to decide what to tell you, but I promise it will be helpful. Your teacher has put you into groups. If your team is assigned to the Maker Mill, you will go here and stay in this area to find clues and solve the puzzles. If your team is assigned to the round tables, you will go here and stay in this area to find clues and solve the puzzles. If your team is assigned to the lounge, you will go here and stay in this area to find clues and solve the puzzles. No clues are hidden down the aisle of books. Remember, what you have learned about light and sound waves will help you solve the puzzles. I'm going to read you a story to set the stage for your breakout. At the end of the school year, your class took its annual trip to the water park. Unfortunately, the wave pool began to malfunction. You and your entire class are trapped as the waves get larger and larger. You must use your knowledge of waves to help your class escape. You must hurry and escape the wave pool before you and your class run out of strength to stay afloat. Go to the Media Center. Go to your location with your team. Begin finding clues to break out. A timer will begin once all students have arrived. Best of luck to you and your team!